Hello everyone, in this video we will be covering that how you can install Kali Linux on your Oracle VirtualBox. So for that you need to open virtualbox.org. From here you can download VirtualBox for Windows or Mac OS or Linux distribution. And after downloading and installing VirtualBox, you have to open kali.org, and from here you can download the virtual machines for VMware or VirtualBox. We are talking about VirtualBox today, so you need to download it directly from the website, or you can download it through via torrent file. So I have successfully downloaded Kali Linux VirtualBox, and I have also installed Oracle VM VirtualBox. So now I need to import the Linux file that I have downloaded. So okay, so it has detected all the settings. If I want to change any setting, I can change it from here. So now it is importing virtual disk image of Kali Linux that we have downloaded, and when this setup will be completed, let's see what's next. Okay, so our Kali Linux is imported into VirtualBox that we downloaded, and now we will start the Kali Linux. So here we go. Our Kali Linux is imported into VirtualBox, and we can start using it. Kali. So this is the most simplest way of installing Kali Linux into your VirtualBox. Okay, so we have successfully imported the Kali Linux VM into our Oracle VirtualBox, and that's it for today. We will be meeting with new security tutorials in another video. If you haven't subscribed yet, so don't forget to subscribe.